Jai Hind. Welcome to Computology Academy, and today we are going to see about the moves that are being taken by the OIC countries. So the OIC countries are basically the Organization of Islamic Cooperation countries, and these countries having 57 members in them are pressing for a UN resolution. So in the UN Security Council they are trying to bring a resolution that will be maybe binding or may not be binding, but it will a kind of censor on Israel. So they are trying to bring this resolution with the help of Russia and China. So let us see these green countries. These countries which are shown by the green color are the 57 countries which consists of the OIC members, and these countries which are shown by the blue color, they are the just the observers. And here is one country shown by red color, that is Jordan, that has been thrown out of the OIC countries. Maybe there might be some reasons because of which it has been thrown out, but here OIC was constituted in 1969 after there was an arson in Al Aqsa Masjid. So this was a reason because of which the OIC came into existence in 1969. Basically their main aim was to bring the Al-Aqsa Masjid and the Jerusalem in the fold of the Muslim control. So the Islamic clerics had tried to bring the Al-Aqsa Masjid in their control, and their main purpose for formation of OIC was to bring the Al-Aqsa Masjid, and the headquarter of the OIC is at Jeddah here in Saudi Arabia. In the port city of Jeddah in Saudi Arabia, the headquarter of OIC is there, and it is just a temporary headquarter because they want to make Jerusalem as the headquarter of OIC, and their main purpose is to rescue the Al-Aqsa Masjid from the fold of Jews. So they want to bring the Al-Aqsa Masjid in the Islamic control and the Jerusalem as well in the Islamic control, and they want that the Jerusalem will be made the headquarter of OIC, and for this they are pressing time and again. And basically this is the organization where the collective voice of 57 Islamic majority nations are being voiced against the Jews and the other atrocities against the Islamic nations. So here basically Russia and China, this is Russia, the Xi Jinping and Vladimir Putin, both of them are helping the OIC nations. So this basically they will help the OIC nations in the UN Security Council to bring this resolution. So basically they will try to make this resolution binding on Israel, and if it becomes binding on Israel, then Israel will have to follow the rules and follow the censor whichever will be pressed against Israel, because if it will not follow these instructions, then there may be some sanctions on Israel and it will go against Israel. So basically what the OIC nations want here, that the ceasefire should be implemented as soon as possible and the status quo should be maintained, because they fear that the Israelis want the Gaza Strip to reduce the extent of Gaza Strip, and they also want to change the ethnicity of the Gaza Strip. So basically they are fearful that the Gaza Strip may be reduced. So because of this they want that there should not be any change in the physical and the geographical condition and ethnic condition of the Gaza Strip, and the OIC nations are collectively pressing for this resolution. And in this resolution they think that India may also help, because in the last resolution which was passed in the UN, that was on 11th May, in that the Indian diplomats had voted against the Israel. So in this also they are thinking that India may help out them, as well as China is already in favor of them and Russia is already in favor of them, and many other countries may be in favor of them. So here what happens, the OIC countries are trying to censor the movement of Israeli armies, and the Israelis move to reduce the Gaza Strip and change the ethnicity of Gaza Strip and to take the control of Gaza Strip. So because of this what happens, there may be some heated comments on Israel in the UN Security Council, and let us see what happens in the future. And do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get informed whenever we upload new videos. So thank you very much and have a nice day.